Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for a Boxy Charm unboxing. So this is for August, and if you guys aren't familiar with Boxy Charm, it is a monthly subscription box. You just have to go to boxycharm.com and you can sign up to get a box every month, and they send you full-size beauty products. And then they often will send you coupons or things like that, such as the 20% off or 25% off. And this one says, Life of the Party, Live It Up. And it tells us a little bit about what we have in the box. And I will go through that after I've looked so that you guys can see as well as I can how much different things were and everything. So the first thing I see are these House of Lashes. It's one pair of lashes. And it looks like little spurts of lash. This is called the Siren Mini. Sometimes less is more. Our mini lash collection provides the perfect enhancement to the natural beauty of your eyes by providing a full yet natural looking lash. Now, I have never worn fake lashes, so I am not sure if I will actually wear these or not. And I don't know how you're supposed to do it, because each one is in a little section. So I don't know if it comes off as one piece and you put it on as one piece, or if it's literally each little bundle has to be put on separately. I am not sure. So we shall see, but let's see. House of Lashes, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $9 to $12. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting, these lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. So there. This next thing is Addisay, New York, organic infused, age-defying nail treatment essentials. High-tech skincare for nails. It's a complete product range developed to restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural state. So let's see, this one, Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil is what this is. That's nice. Treat yourself and your nails and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles. And it says moisturizes and hydrates the nails. This retails for $18. I don't really smell anything. I thought that I would. Let's just put it on one and then rub that in. I'm not going to say it's greasy, but it's oil, so it's oily. But not bad. It doesn't feel bad, and hopefully it works. I love cuticle oil because my hands get really dry, so I do like to use cuticle oil. I need to do it more regularly, but there's that. So that is a keeper for me. This next one is Bang Beauty. I have no idea what it is, so let's see what it says over here. Chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even a touch-up to your brows. This creamy chocolate-toned pomade excuse me, is the ultimate triple threat. This retails for $22, and again, it's by Bang Beauty. Yeah, I can see how it would work as all of that. It seems like it's matte. Gel eyeliner. I like gel eyeliner. I'm not a big fan of brown, but it'd be worth a shot. Now, it is kind of weird. It looks like this whole bottom part doesn't have anything in it. The product stops right here. So it starts right there and it ends right there. It's just like 5 millimeters of product, even though it gives you this illusion as though you're getting a lot. That's all just clear glass, which is kind of a bummer. but it's $22. Yeah, there's no way I would use that. But I'll keep it and I'll try it. There's no way I would buy it, but I will try it. Ooh, then I have a Smashbox lip product. This is Always On Liquid Lipstick, 8-hour power pout. And this says assorted lip products. This one manufacturers for $21 to $24. Create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. The pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary. So mine is kind of a brownish shade. It's called Stepping Out. It's not really a color I would choose for myself, but I kind of like it. I don't know. It might be a good nude for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? We'll see how it stays on after I'm finished. But it says Always On Lipstick. I like that. Layer with a lighter hue in the center to make lips look fuller. I guess I don't need to keep the thing because I will, if I don't keep it, I will give it to my daughter, so it's not a big deal. This next thing is Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal. And what does this say? Oh, Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Dare to be the life of the party. This Laura Lee Los Angeles, oh my word. Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. Retail price is $19. The colors are Issa Party, Dranks, Bottoms Up, Hungover, Karaoke, and Damage Control. Now, I can tell you that they're in one of these that I would wear. These are much too bold and a little crazy for my taste. But they're pretty, and I'm tempted to swatch some of them, but then I don't want to ruin the... I'm sure that you could pick up a lot more if you tried. These colors are definitely not something I would wear. Ooh, that glitter is really pretty though. I don't know. I mean, I can see how some of them might be something that would be attractive, but I'm just not there. That orange doesn't have much pigment on my skin right there, but I mean, clearly my fingers have pigment on them. So I am going to give this to my daughter. Hopefully she will like it. I don't know if she will or not. I'll ask her. If she says no, I will maybe just say, why don't you see if there's somebody in your dorm room who would like it or something like that. Or maybe I could give it to my boyfriend, or to my son's girlfriend. And then the last thing I have here are 3 pairs of Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And these are, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye makeup? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. This is $13. So I don't know if you're supposed to use these at night. It says apply, leave on for 15 minutes, discard, gently pat remaining syrup into skin. So it doesn't really say. I will try those. Those sound all right. So that is what I got in my box. I mean, these are hilarious to me, these colors, because I would never wear those. But, you know, I like that they try to give you something for everyone. And, yeah, I probably won't wear those either. So let's see how this Smashbox, maybe I'll put this way. Let's see how this... So it does smear, but it takes a lot, and it's like, it doesn't want to come off, that's for sure. So that's a good thing. I do have, I'm in my craft room, so I have some wipes too. But I have some water and a napkin handy. So I'll just use that for now. But there we go. That's what I got. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.